Hi guys, it's Ipsy time. I finally got my Ipsy in the mail and it's in a new like light pink bag, which I don't know how I feel because I love hot pink. So let's see what I got. Here is the bag and it is freaking adorable. It is Betty Boop and the back is like sequins black. I freaking love this bag. This is so cute and it's huge. So let's see what I got. This is gonna be a fast unboxing because I am low on battery and I can't figure out where I put my charger at. So here we go. It is called Flaunt It. Don't forget the choices is yours. So I did get to choose one of my items, which was really cool, I think. And I did take on their The Benefits mascara. I've gotten it before in my Ipsy bag, but you know what? You can never have too many mascaras. So that was my choice for this bag and I freaking love it. Secondly, I got another brush, and this is from Crown, which I love their brushes, and I tend to get a bunch of them from Ipsy. And this one actually has like a pointer and a blending brush. So, dual brush, awesome. Next item, this one's wrapped up, and it is by Space Cadet. Oh, I've actually gotten from them before. I've gotten nail polishes from them. I don't know if you've seen them, but a few colors of these, and I freaking love it. So let's see what I got from them. Here's their packaging, freaking cool. And it is a C from Space 1B highlighter. So it's a highlighter, somewhat of a neutral color, but it does give it a nice little glow. So that is really cool. I really like their brand, so I hope they make it pretty big. Alright, the next item I have is from Sud Specific, I believe, and it says Vanilla Apricot. And I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a perfume. A perfume. Let's smell. Oh. Okay, it's in my eye, but it smells like Smarties. Like candy. Smells like candy. Oh my god, that is freaking amazing. Yes, deal. Okay, last item is from the Betty Boop collection. And this is with an Ipsy exclusive because their name's all over it. And I think I got a blush. Don't drop it. Okay. It is so cute. Look at that packaging. It is a red heart. That is so cute. And it is a blush, I believe. It is a peachy color next to the highlighter. You can see it. This is in Be Cheeky, and it's a powdered blush. So, very cute line. I really like it. I saw it online. Wasn't sure if I wanted the whole thing. But, adorable packaging. The best bag ever. I love this. This is so cool to get something like authentic, you know? Like a real character. But yes, so that is my bag. I got a blush. A perfume that smells like Smarties, like candy. My mascara. A blush brush, or blending brush. And a highlighter. Like, yes, makeup bag for sure. So hope you guys enjoyed my bag and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.